Now you might have heard traditionally about pin lock inserts used widely for anti-fog, but pin lock inserts have limitations. Hello, I'm Kaustubh from Gear and Throttle House, and today we are going to speak about Raleigh Fogstop helmet anti-fog inserts from Italy. Now you might have heard traditionally about pin lock inserts used widely for anti-fog, but pin lock inserts have limitations. One is pin lock are expensive, they are not easily available. You need to have a particular pin lock insert for a particular set of model because it fits in the pins. Your visor also should have the pin lock pins. And one most important point is dust starts entering pin lock inserts between the insert and visor, thereby creating some sort of obstruction, or it might even fail the anti-fogging effect of the pin lock. Presenting Raleigh Fogstop inserts from Italy. These are 100% made in Italy. The advantage of these inserts are they are comparatively economical as compared to pin lock. They use a sealing system. It's a special patented sealing system, and it seals the insert from all sides, so there is no chance of dust going in. It's a universal size, so it fits most of the helmets with or without pin locks. And the sealing system has got a specific glue adhesive, so it lasts for quite long time. Unless and until you try to remove the insert, it's not going to come out. So the life of this insert is quite higher than the traditional pin lock insert. Let us go in detail. We have three types of pin lock inserts: clear, erasing higher def, photochromatic. What features do each offer, we will see in detail. First, I want to show you how the insert works. So this is the packing. I'm opening a fresh packet. This is the racing high def insert, the one you see here. It's light rose pink in color. On one side it is coated with protective plastic, and on the other side there is a glue which is covered with a protective film here. So the function is simple. You stick this inside of your visor, and the adhesive creates a sealing system all around, and it traps the air inside. The trapped air is unaffected by the external air, and hence the visor does not fall. This is the whole working principle of Raleigh. Now for installation, or if you want to know whether this insert will fit your helmet or not, you can go to our website www.gthouse.shop. Under the Raleigh section, you will find a printable, downloadable template which you can print and cut it to the actual exact size. And you can just put it and see if it's covering the insert properly, and if it's, in case your helmet has got pin lock pins, whether the insert is interfering with the pin lock or not. If not, this insert can be successfully installed on your helmet. I'm going to show you the installation process, and then we will discuss about each of these different types of Raleigh Fogstop inserts. So step 1, you take the template, download it, print it in at 100% scale, cut to this size. Just put the template on your helmet and center it vertically and horizontally. So I'm just going to adjust it so that it is exactly in center. And not interfering with the visor opening or closing mechanism. Okay. Step 2, remove the insert, remove the visor from the helmet and clean the inside, because that is where the insert is going to stick. Once you stick the insert, there is no possibility for you to clean the visor. So make sure that your visor is neat and clean. Now you can see the template, what we fixed outside, acts as a marker or a guideline for you to install. Step 3, remove the white cover over the adhesive. Make sure you're not touching the adhesive part, and using the external template as a marker, you can stick the insert the inside. Start from one of the sides. Now I've placed it very gently, I've not pressed it, and I'm going to remove the and I just want to see if I have placed it correctly. Now it's on one side, so I'm going to adjust it again. Now it's exactly in center. Step 4. Run your finger all along the adhesive and press it little firmly so that the insert sticks properly. Step 5. You remove the plastic protective covering outside and you're done. So you can ensure, you can see that the glue stick from all the sides. If you see some air bubbles, run your finger again, make sure it's sealed from outside. It's very important that the glue stick from all sides. If there is an air leakage, the anti-fog function will not work. You are now ready to put the visor back on your helmet, and that's it. Your helmet is now upgraded with Raleigh FogStop anti-fog system. The best part about Raleigh is, in case any day you decide that you want to take it off or put another insert, it does not damage your helmet visor at all. So all you have to do is start pulling it from one end. It sticks pretty strongly, so it's not easy to take it off, but once you have one end in hand, it will start slowly pulling out the insert. The visor is clean. There's some glue remaining which you can easily clean it off. So Raleigh does not damage the visor at all, and once you clean it, you're good to use the visor again or install a new anti-fog insert. We have tried these inserts on various helmets. Like you can see here, this is a Bell MX9. We've tried it on Scorpion. We've tried it also on AGVs. These inserts work fine. They will also fit on most of the empty helmets with V12 and V14 visors. Nevertheless, we ask you to download the template and check before you purchase, so you do not end up buying an insert which does not fit your helmet. If you go to our website, you will find the downloadable template or list of the compatible helmets that we have tried on. Now the three types, which one you should choose for what? The clear is for, as the name suggests, it's a clear insert and it just offers you one function, that anti-fog. And this you can use it day and night. It costs 1550. The Racing High Def is a special insert. It's, as you can see, it's light pink in color, but once you wear it, you don't realize that there is any color. What this insert does is, apart from anti-fog, it also offers you additional two functions. One is it cuts down sun drastically, so if you're riding in sunlight, it's very cool to your eyes, and at night it offers you an anti-glare function. So any head-on lights or any lights coming straight on, this will reduce the effect drastically. So this insert also you can use day and night. This costs 1750. We're gonna put the Racing High Def insert for you to have an idea how it looks. we're going to put the racing IDF visor in front of the lens. Now you are seeing without the visor, and now we will put the IDF insert. And then there's the photochromic inserts. So photochromic insert is normally clear, but when you expose it to sunlight or any UV rays, depending on the strength of the sunlight, the insert starts turning green. It is very quick, the transition is very rapid, and your eyes will not notice it, especially for the rider who is wearing the helmet, but others can notice. The insert turns green, and the insert cuts down UV rays drastically, thereby protecting you from sun. This insert also can be used at day and night. If there is no sun, the insert remains clear, same as the standard clear insert. This is for 2200. The best part about these inserts are that they are 100% optically correct inserts, which means there is no distortion. You will not have any sort of issues with your vision or eye after installing these inserts. So people who have specs can go ahead and buy the clear or high def inserts without any issues. Photochromatic is something that we don't recommend for people with specs, but the other two inserts can definitely be used without any issues. So depending on your preference, you have three choices: clear, racing IDF, photochromic. All three inserts are available with us at Gear and Throttle House. You can drop it to our store or buy it online at www.gthouse.shop. We are adding the purchase links in this video for all three types of inserts. If you have any particular question or query with regards to this insert, drop in a comment or connect us with on phone, WhatsApp, whatever is convenient, and we will be happy to answer them for you. And finally, if you like this video, do give us a thumbs up. Do share our video with others whom you feel that they should get these inserts. And if you have not subscribed it yet, make sure that you hit the subscribe button. Till then, next time, goodbye.